Get ready to yield your blade and dive into the world of demons, destiny, and breathtaking animation. From heart-wrenching backstories to jaw-dropping sword fights, Demon Slayer Kimetsu no Yaiba isn't just an anime, it's a cultural phenomenon. But what makes this story of Tanjiro and Nezuka so unforgettable? Let's break it down only on Screen Explain TV. Demon Slayer fans, get ready because the Infinity Castle arc is coming. And it's about to be the most explosive, emotional, and visually stunning chapter in the entire series. Following the Hashira training arc, this storyline throws us straight into the terrifying domain of Muzen Kibu Tsuji, the Infinity Castle, a twisted, ever-shifting battlefield where the Demon Slayer Corps will face off against the most powerful demons yet. This is where the real war begins. Expect jaw-dropping battles as the Hashira go head-to-head with the Upper Moon demons in fights that push them to their absolute limits. Shinobu Kocho's fight against Doma is a showdown filled with vengeance and sacrifice, while Gyumi and Sanemi's brutal clash with Kokushibo, the strongest Upper Moon, will leave fans speechless. Tanjiro and Zenitsu and Inosuke will all face life or death moments as they take on enemies far beyond anything they've faced before. Meanwhile, Tanjiro begins to unlock the true power of the sun-breathing technique as he gets closer to confronting Muzan himself. This arc also reveals dark secrets about Muzan's origins, his obsession with immortality, and the true nature of the demon curse. And the biggest surprise, it's that Ufotable is adapting the Infinity Castle arc into a full-fledged movie trilogy, with part 1 expected to release in late 2025 or early 2026. The animation is expected to surpass everything we've seen so far, delivering action, heartbreak, and high-stakes drama on a cinematic scale. This isn't just another arc, it's the ultimate battle that will decide the fate of the entire Demon Slayer world. From the haunting beauty of its visuals to the emotional depth of its characters, Demon Slayer continues to leave an indelible mark on anime history. Whether you are a seasoned fan or just stepping into this world, one thing's clear, the journey is far from over. For more deep dives and anime breakdowns, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned right here on Screen Explain TV.